The suitcase is missing. My suitcase is missing, and I need it before my meeting tomorrow.
I am sorry. I can help you. Which flight were you on?
I was on flight BA218 from Madrid.
Thank you. Do you have your baggage receipt?
Yes, here it is. The tag number is on it.
Good. Let me check the system.
The belt is empty now. I waited for 30 minutes.
I understand. What does your suitcase look like?
It is red, medium size, with a yellow ribbon.
That helps. Please come with me to the luggage desk.
Okay. I really hope we can find it soon.
We will start a report right away.
At the lost luggage desk.
Please spell your full name for the report.
Emma Carter. EMMA Carter.
Thank you, Miss Carter. What is your hotel address?
The City Park Hotel, 18 Green Street.
And your phone number, please.
It is 555-3902.
What important things are in the suitcase?
My work clothes, shoes, and some papers.
Do you have medicine or money inside?
No medicine and no money, but I need the clothes.
I will mark it as urgent.
Can the airline deliver it to my hotel?
Yes. If we find it, we will deliver it there.
How long does it usually take?
Often, less than 1 day. I will call you with news.
Thank you. I feel a little better now. An update in the morning.
Good morning, Miss Carter. We found your suitcase.
That is great news. Where was it?
It went to Terminal 3 by mistake.
Can I get it now?
Soon, yes. But I must tell you something.
What happened?
The handle looks broken in the photo.
Oh no. I bought that suitcase last month.
I understand. We will check the damage together.
Are my things safe inside?
The suitcase is closed. That is a good sign.
Can you send it to my hotel today?
Yes. I can bring it this afternoon.
Please do. My meeting is at 5.
I will do my best to be there before 3.
The suitcase arrives.
Ms. Carter, here is your red suitcase.
Thank you for bringing it. I see the yellow ribbon.
Please check it before you sign.
The handle is broken and this wheel is bad.
I am sorry. I will write that in the form.
Can I open it now?
Yes, please. Check your things.
My clothes are here. The papers are here too.
That is good. Is anything missing?
No, nothing is missing, but the suitcase is hard to move.
You can make a damage claim.
Can you help me with that?
Yes. Come to the airport office after your meeting.
I will come at 7. Is that okay?
Yes. I will be there.
The damage claim. I am back. My meeting went well, but the suitcase is still broken.
I am glad your meeting went well. Let us finish the claim.
What do you need from me?
I need your ticket, baggage receipt, and signature.
Here they are. I also have the suitcase receipt.
That is very helpful. The airline may pay for the repair.
How long will the answer take?
Usually, 3 to 5 business days.
Can I still use the suitcase for my trip home?
Yes, but we can give you a strong luggage strap.
That would help a lot. Thank you.
Here is the strap and a copy of the claim.
So, the suitcase was found and the damage is reported.
Yes. You will get an email with the next step.
You helped me a lot today, Daniel.
You are welcome, Miss Carter. Have a safe trip.